And Sandy's. Go to your right. Right. You're right on, man.
Right.
Hold it right there. Oh, right there, right there. Right there. That's it. You're lighting my whole fucking house up. Can you see that? Diesel's like flipping out. He's like, what the fuck? Do what?
God. Right son of a bitch.
Hell yes, we can see it.
Blinding the shit out of us.
Jason's filming it. Like, we're filming it from this end. You're not gonna believe this shit.
God damn, look how fucking...
There it is.
Alright.
Tell him to hold it steady.
Fucking A, it's bright. If it goes in your eyes, it hurts.
Oh.
I guarantee if you look